Hey, Mick over at Cobra Electric. My name is Josh. We spoke this morning on the phone. I want to get this video sent over to you, kind of showing how you guys can get more customers in the door every single month. I know you're slam-packed right now, and this is probably something you're going to use for future reference, but once you get the chance to take a look at it, maybe it'll help fuel your fire and help you a little bit. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. We have your website, first of all. One thing we're going to do is we're going to analyze your guys' website, right? It's a good-looking website. The only thing I did see that it needs more of is content, right? You've got a great submit a contact form right there. You know, you've got your services. Everything's laid out really well. You're just lacking a little bit of the content. Google loves content. They will rank you a lot better if you have good content. So that's huge, right? On every single page, we want more and more content. Contact us page probably is a little bit less, but for our most part, we want our homepage to have anywhere 1,000 to 1,500 words. We want our service pages to have 750 to 1,000 words as well, depending on, how relevant or how competitive that service is. We want to have more on that. So one way we can figure out what kinds of content we want to have or what kinds we have right now is comparing them and contrasting them on something like this called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is going to give me some details and some information on what you guys currently have on your site, and we can compare that to your competitors. Somebody like Mr. Electric, right? They're probably taking a lot of your guys' customers because people can't find you online. They go to them instead. So we're going to copy and paste and figure out what they're doing right online. For right now, we're going to look at you guys and see what you guys have for some statistics. So what this shows me here is what kinds of backlinks you guys have, what referring domains you have, what organic keywords you guys are producing on your website, and, I can go into each one of these as well. And I can look at all of them. You can figure out right here, this is one of the backlinks that you guys have. This is a backlink. This is a backlink, right? And we can kind of compare and contrast with this and with Mr. Electric, right? And we want to figure out how many they have, how many we want to have. Same thing, vice versa with your keywords, right? The keywords are what we want to have in our website. And I'm going to show you why we want them in our website right here, right now, right? So these are the keywords you guys are currently have on your website and what you're ranking for. And this one right here is a great example, right? Electrician, Iowa City. It's a good thing you have it because 450 people are searching that right now monthly. Unfortunately, you guys are in the 34th position. So you're not being found. You're at the top of the third or the bottom of the fourth page. So people can't find you online. They can't find your website. And unfortunately, that allows you to actually lose customers every single month to these guys right here, right? So we're going to figure out what these guys are doing properly and what you can do better. Same thing. We're going to put them here into Ahrefs. We're going to take the URL and transfer it over. Right here, they're targeting keywords that have tens of thousands of search volume, right? And they're in position 1 and 3 and 5 and 4. So these guys are really killing it. And this is the kind of stuff that we want to target and compare and contrast to. Not just the keywords, but also the backlinks, right? You saw your numbers. We were in the tens and a couple of dozens of them, right? Look at the possibilities here. They are almost endless. We can go out and get all kinds of backlinks, all kinds of referring domains, thousands and tens of thousands of keywords. Look how much traffic their website is generating right now. Almost 70,000 people traffic to their website every single month. So, the limits are endless with this stuff. So, with that being said, Mick, I really hope this helps you. I know you're slammed. I know this probably took a few minutes out of your day, but I appreciate you watching it when you get to it. With that being said, again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing, and I hope this helps.